Happy Friday. My dog is being hilarious. So my brother, Potato Life, has a laser pointer, and my dog's playing with it. Twinkie's there. My sister's here.
Oh, hey, Rex. Look, Rexy.
You gonna get it? She's trying to get it.
Look, Rexy. Maybe have a chase me. He's so mad at me.
Mad. Anger at the laser.
He's gonna get it. Rex, get it.
He's getting it. Go, go, go. Get it, Rex.
Rexy, look at it right there.
Wow.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Mom, stay away from my mom.
Rexy, help. Rexy. Rexy. He doesn't love me.
Whatever you're gonna Cody doesn't care.
Rexy.
It's the dad. The dad is back.
I'm gonna get it. He's a get it. Twinkie, can you get it? You got it, Rex.
Twinkie,
Love how he just looked at the camera and was like, "Hello, yes, it's me."
Get it.
Did you guys just see that?
Twinkie's not interested in this one bit.
He just looked at the camera and was like, "Hello, yes, it's me."
The tail is wagging.
He's just happy he has family right now. He's just happy he has his girl.
Twinkie, help. Help. Twinkers.
Get it, Twink.
Twinkers, help. Oh.
He's gonna get it. Wait, make it go on my foot. Make it go on my foot. Twinkie, it's not him. It's the dot. It's the horrifying dot.
Twinkie, look. It's the dot. It's not me. It's not me.
He's coming after you. Whenever Anthony is around and I get hurt or something, he immediately.
He doesn't care about the red dot that's hitting you.
No. Twinkie. Come here. Come here, pup.
Twinkie, look. Twinkie, look.
Goodbye.
Twinkie, look. It's a dot. Look, Twinkie.
Is he gonna go after it? There's a dot. He's gonna get it.
Going after it.
He's gonna get it.
Maury, look, Twinkie, look.
Oh, oh. Thank you. I'm
Only
gonna
like
turn
a
on
little
my...
bit, but you gotta learn. Why the hell?
I couldn't see anything in this dark hallway.
You're a dark hallway. Twinkie.
Get the dad.
Oh,
Get the dad.
Miss your dot? Miss your dot, buddy?
My dot. You gonna get the dot? I love here. I'm turning this off so I'm not shining it in your eyes. I love how I love how as he just walked by the camera earlier, he just raised his head and looked right at the camera and was like, "Hello, yes, it's me."
Here we go. Twinkie's into it now.
Get it, Twink, get it. You can do it.
Twinkie, look down. Twinkie, right here.
Rexy's like, "We gonna get it.
Rexy, what about you? Want to get it?
Get the dot." They are in love with this laser pointer.
We gotta get a better one that don't have to cover up half of it. Because this, when you when you do it, it comes out as a line.
No one wants slats.
No one likes lines.
No one likes lines.
So I gotta cover it up.
No one likes you, sir. They're just going to be like, no.
Alright, well, I gotta get to school.
Yeah. I gotta get ready.
Have a good day, son.
Happy Friday, guys. And like, comment, subscribe. Assalamualaikum.